everyone, welcome to Ynell Investing, and today we're gonna talk about 3 good reasons why you should buy a condo. But before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Ynell Investing, and this channel is dedicated to making videos that will help people achieve financial freedom. Like most of you, I'm just a normal person having a normal job. I'm actually an OFW, and I earn normal income from my job, but I make sure that I invest my money. So I invest my money in the stock market. I trade and invest in the stock market. I have a small business selling cosmetics. I own some lands. I also own condos, and of course I'm also selling condos. So I learned a lot of things in this journey of investing and growing your money, and I just want to share to you all the things that I learned along the way. So without further ado, let's start with the question why should you buy a condo? The first reason is passive income. I say passive, quote unquote, because it is not really 100%, but it is very close. And you can get long-term and short-term tenants. Yung magre-renta sa condo mo, pwedeng pang matagalan or pang short-term lang, 3 araw, 5 araw. And for long-term tenants, you can have your condo rented out to locals who are working within the area, or you can have it rented out to foreigners who are staying in the country for an extended period of time. Alam nyo naman ngayon, ang dami ng mga foreigners na nag-work sa Philippines. Especially, we have this POGOs and this offshore gaming, and many Chinese are living in the Philippines, and they're actually renting condos for like 50,000 pesos a month or to 70,000 pesos a month. And for short-term rent naman, you can have it rented through Airbnb. Itong website na to, it's becoming like famous. Most people now, they don't want to pay a lot of money staying in a hotel. They would book their room through Airbnb. Mga condos lang to, and then they can live there like you're living in a hotel, because condos now are actually the same as hotels. They have good facilities like a very good swimming pool, and you can have it rented to foreigners who are staying in the country for a short period just for travel, or to locals who are into staycation. You know, they're very tired of working, and usually after on weekends they don't know what to do, and sometimes they just want to stay in a very nice condo and swim in the swimming pool and just have a relaxing weekend. And of course, both tenants for short-term and long-term can be very profitable. And like I said, it's just it's not really 100% passive, because of course you need to advertise your property. You have to market your property. You have to market it on Facebook or Airbnb, whatever website, in order to attract customers. You still need to sort of manage your property, like cleaning them, but it's a lot better than a 9-to-5 job. And the second reason why you should buy a condo is property appreciation. Ano ba tong property appreciation? Ang pagtaas ng value ng condo mo. So property values actually fluctuate, but of course alam naman natin in general, the price of properties goes up. The direction is really up. This is especially true in Metro Manila and now in surrounding areas and major cities in the Philippines. And so your passive income from rentals can be used to help you pay for your property. So kung ano yung kinikita mo sa income mo sa condo mo, yun na yung magbabayad mismo sa loan mo sa property, sa condo mo. And you can also just flip your condo. You know, many people think that you can only sell your condo once you own it at bayad mo talaga, na talaga siya 100%. But it's not true. You can actually just hold the property for short period of time, sometimes nga 1 year lang but usually like 3 years. Most condos now are in pre-selling, so you buy it pre-selling, meaning hindi pa siya gawa pero binili mo na siya, at habang binabayaran mo yon, every year tumataas ng value ng property or nung condo na yon. So imagine you will only be paying usually 10 to 15% of the total value ng property. But then and then it's already under your name. Hindi mo binili yung buong condo. Yun lang yung binabayaran mo. And sometimes it's just 7%, 10%, 10 to 15%. Sometimes it's just 7,000. Sometimes it's just 10,000 pesos. Yun lang yung binabayaran mo every year, at yung condo nakapangalan na under your name. After 3 years of paying that, pwede mo na siyang ibenta. Do you know that sometimes isang taon lang 1 million na ang itinataas ng condo, kasi ganun kabilis mag-appreciate ang value ng condo sa Metro Manila. So you can earn a big money with just little amount of money na kapital mo. And you profit from the rental income if you want to hold your property for longer period, like 10 years. And also you profit from the natural appreciation ng value ng property mo. So, ang laki ng kita, di ba? So, and no one can predict the future, but it looks like the trend is heading away from traditional house and lot towards condos. So if you look at this graph, you can see that this is the Philippine population for this year 2020, and you can see that a lot of the population are actually young people. So sila yung maghanap ng condo, right? Condos in the future. So many ask, why are there so many condos built? Bakit pala ang daming developers, ang dami? As you can see, the population of the Philippines is very young, and these young people in the future, they want to get out of the countrysides and they just want to live in the urban areas. They just want to live in the cities. And there are condos in major cities, and they want to change their lifestyle. They just want a lifestyle that is live, work, and play lifestyle. So and they can do this live, work, and play lifestyle where? Of course, in the urban areas, because urban areas provide more job opportunities, more entertainment, more education, more everything. And the condos of today are designed to be cities within a city. So parang yung isang condo area, parang isang city na rin siya. They're becoming places where people can live, work, and play without long commutes and heavy traffic. Nakikita nyo naman, condos are always beside a mall, right? And then think of how things looked 5, 10, 15 years ago. Just think. And then compare it today. Its development. Even today, there is still a shortage of supply of housing. If you go back to Metro Manila and you will see that there are lots of condos, and you think like, who will live in these condos? But actually those condos are already occupied, and still we are short of housing supply in the Philippines. So why don't we be part of the uptrend? The demand is there. You don't have to worry. It will continue to grow. And the third good reason why you should build a condo, you should buy a condo, is building wealth. Okay, ano ba itong building wealth na to? Most people focus on rental income and property appreciation. Gusto lang nilang bumili ng condo kasi paparent nila. Ganun din ako dati when I started buying a condo, I said paparent ko at tapos ibenta ko siya after 10 years. Ganun lang. But then, did you know that your condo can be a tool to build wealth? Paano ba to? You can use your condo as a positive leverage to purchase other assets. For example, gusto mong bumili ng isa pang condo, pwede mong gamitin yung first condo mo as collateral para makapag-loan ka sa bangko para bayaran yung second condo mo. And this is a bit more advanced, but many have built their wealth in this way. You can actually use your property to put up a business. So if you can pay all your expenses, including your mortgage, for example, through your existing salary, and then you can use your rental income to help fund other investments. Yung kinikita mo sa rental income mo, yun yung gagamitin mo to fund your investments in the stock market, your investments in Forex, or maybe you want to start a new business. So isipin mo that you can grow your money, right? And so owning a condo can provide you with income, but more importantly, it can provide you wealth. Remember, income is not the same as wealth. Income is the money you make on a regular basis. Yung sweldo mo, yung kinikita mo regularly. It can help take care of what? Only your day-to-day needs and wants. But wealth is the total of all your assets, minus of course your debts kung may mga utang ka, and it is really a measurement of time. How long can you live your current lifestyle without going to work? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Kung hihinto ka sa pagtatrabaho ngayon, and then you will still have the same lifestyle as you have right now, hanggang how long can it last ba? And if it can last longer, that's wealth. Hindi mo kailangang magtrabaho pero may pera ka para to live. And then throughout history, property investing has been a tried and tested method to build real wealth. Properties can help take care of the years to come, and they can be passed on to future generations. So it takes time. It really takes time to build wealth, but why not start today? Just take it one day at a time. You will think you can't afford it, but you definitely can. Just one step at a time. That's the end of today's video. And once again, I'm Ynell Investing. If you like this video, please comment down below. I will really appreciate it. And please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel by hitting that bell button, and check my channel for more videos all related to achieving the goal of financial freedom. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a message down below. And if you're interested in condo investments, or you have any questions about condos, please feel free to visit my my Facebook page. It's called Top Condominium Philippines, and I am actually an international property sales specialist of the biggest, the largest, the most trusted property developer of the Philippines, SMDC, the good guys. And especially if you want to buy condos, or if you want to join my sales team, if you're like me who wants to have more income and increase your income, then feel free to message me. I can make you be an agent, a sales agent of SMDC. And let's be wealthy together. Once again, I'm Ynell Investing. Don't forget, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay invested. Bye!